In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to find your GitHub username. This is useful when you need to share your profile, collaborate on projects, or verify your account details. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll see your GitHub username displayed near the top. This is the quickest way to find your username without leaving the page you're on. Alternatively, you can click Profile from the same drop-down menu. This will take you to your GitHub profile page, where your username is displayed along with your profile information, repositories, and contributions. You can also look at the URL in your browser's address bar. Your username appears after github.com/ in your profile URL. And that's it. You've successfully found your GitHub username using multiple methods. Thanks for watching.